Hello, I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. Please excuse my appearance. I've been cooped up in the house for the last few days and I haven't bothered shaving, and I think I might be going a little bit stir crazy. You never know when you're staying at home for a while what can happen. But what did happen was I scanned a whole bunch of pages from 1977's catalog that Lionel put out. And I realized after seeing some of these images that these products from this catalog, a lot of them are among my favorites. So I hope this video will bring back some good memories for you, just like it did for me. Here is the catalog right about now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 1977 catalog of Lionel. Pages turn, kitchen tables during breakfast, soggy cereal, Pop-Tarts left uneaten, images etched into childhood memories, flashlights under bedroom covers, studying, absorbing, assimilating, learning. Top to bottom, front to back, over and over again, 24 sheets filled with wishes and dreams, too many to ever possibly be attained or realized. And yet, there is hope. Plans, schemes, darkness, and light. How little it should matter, but still it consumes. Never satisfied, always unfulfilled, longing and yearning through the endless hours. Minutes into days, weeks into months. Crawling and creeping ever forward, but always out of reach. When will it end? How soon will it begin? Will it ever happen at all? Or has it been nothing but falsehoods? Seeing all, knowing all, ever watching, whether in the arms of Morpheus or the brightness of dawn's glow, the scales of judgment ever at risk, scarlet and alabaster, tales in hushed whispers, can it be real? So, basically, I'm an only child, and I was kind of spoiled. Yada, yada, yada. I got a new train that Christmas. The end.